we can talk about this? Can we talk about this? Can we talk about this? Let's talk about this. Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to my channel, My Life in Okinawa. I am here with my buddy. I don't know what his name is, but he's super cute. Look at him. Oh, there you go. And today we are coming to you from YUMI yet again. I've got another house tour that YUMI gave me access to see. Now the house is furnished right now, but the owner is moving out and he is renting it actually to, I think, a couple of friends of mine. So I decided to give you a really cool house tour, and this one is very modern, recently built, and it's in YUMI, so let's go. Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, My Life in Okinawa. I make videos here in Okinawa on culture, on events, and sometimes housing, because a lot of military personnel come here and actually end up living here, and some people live off base because base is crowded and there's not enough room. So I do some housing videos, and if you've seen this channel before, if you watch the channel or you just stumbled upon it now, take a look here. It's a really cool house with a jacuzzi on the 4th floor, so I will put the link right above my head. And if you feel inclined, so go ahead and subscribe. A lot of interesting things happened today before we started this video for this tour, and I'll get to them later. But right now, let's get to the video. Now you do get all these spaces, and there's the entrance to the kitchen, and there's the main entrance to the door. So you get about 1, 2, maybe about 4 cars in there, if you were really trying to get 4 cars in there. A really nice modern house with a modern gate, and over there is what I'll get to in a bit. All right, so when you come to the house, you've got your little intercom with video right there. You got your post office box there, and then you just open the gate. All right, now this house is only 2 bedrooms, but it is beautiful, and they're doing some construction down the road, so don't mind that. Got a really nice little area you can put a couple of chairs and just hang out. And as you can see, it's a pretty secluded street with very modern homes up and down. Definitely not traditional Okinawan homes, totally regular. All right, so we walk in. And there I am. Oh, by the way, Makeman. If you've been to Okinawa, you know exactly who this monkey is. If you haven't, Google it. It's just like the Home Depot of Japan. All right, so we walk in and we see that we have really nice textured wallpaper. Really nice. We've got modern lights, light switches. All right, and here's what you see through the door. Okay, now, when you come in, here's the living room. I'll just give you another view of what you're seeing here. Again, the living room. Pretty good size. This sectional, by the way, is like American huge. It's definitely not Japanese furniture, very big. And we've got some storage up in there, okay? And a nice wall there when you got your cable and everything hookups on that wall as well. Yeah, go ahead, you wanna show that? You're used to modeling stuff, there you go, look at that.
It's pretty deep.
Yeah, it is pretty deep. Awesome, okay? And I got YUMI here. Again, if you wanna stand still, if you wanna see YUMI, well, you can face the camera, you don't have to stand exactly still. You can go right there, and here's all her information. No, a little further, a little further. There it is. All right, there's your information, great. Okay, moving on, and there's little buddy.
Hi.
Hi, all right. Okay, so right here we have the kitchen, and I'll show you the kitchen from the front. And off to the side of the kitchen we have laundry room. With a door to the front, and also a full bath, really, really nice modern bath. And your Japanese toilet, which is really cool. Does this, like, I wonder if the lid goes up when you get near it. Oh, it's not that one, but some of them do. And of course you have the cool buttons that you can push. There's like music. Probably don't want to hit that one. Well, yeah, I mean you can, but I wouldn't. I did it once before in a public bathroom. It was not great. All right, so here we have like a little sink area, wash your hands, and the washing machine. All right. All right, so here we have some storage. Pretty deep. All right. And then here we have, is this a refrigerator? Wow, this is a weird refrigerator. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it really 5 shelves? Toshiba refrigerator. Yeah, wow, it's really nice. It's got Orion right there. This is the owner's house. I shouldn't be looking through his stuff, but whatever. All right, and then we have, I guess this is the freezer. And then what are these things here? Are these little freezers? Oh, it's an ice tray. Okay, and then what's this one? That's more freezer space, and I'm gonna guess down here is deep freeze. Yeah, deep freeze. Great. Now this kitchen is very, very modern. I believe it's electric. It is, and look at this pretty cool electric range, and the blowers right here. It just goes right up. Now on the back wall we have lots of storage area right here, and we've got giant cabinets down here, and they go pretty much the length of the wall till you get to here. Frosted glass. And there's your cups and plates and everything holder. And here we have a door that leads outside. And we'll get to that in a second, but I'll show you outside in a second, okay? Okay, this is Japanese television in the afternoon for kids. There's like a cheeseburger and a talking soda and a sun. I'm totally gonna get striked for that. All right, so here we have the outside, and let me just show you this. It's really beautiful. Let me see if I get this right. Wow, the screen is so smooth. So here we are outside. We have a nice patio, and it's got these like wooden tiles or clay tiles that are painted. And he's got a fridge out here with a barbecue, but it is really nice. And you've got these privacy slats. Okay, there's concrete there. There's the door off the kitchen, and as you can see, really nice area to put your lawn chairs and your patio furniture. And here's the view. Now we haven't gone downstairs yet. We're gonna do that now. Just wanted to let you know that if you do like the material and the content that I'm providing, go ahead and give a subscribe here or here. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna put it here, right here. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. As things start opening up because of COVID, I will start doing more videos with more attractions and local flavor and cultural festivals once Japan opens up fully. Right now we're still in kind of the mode where we can't really go sit down for eating or anything like that. We're just doing takeout. The locals have a different set of rules than us, so we abide by our rules, and hopefully that will get done soon because I'm dying to hit a couple of really exciting cultural events, and also one really cool tourist attraction that I may do even with COVID because it is social distanced. So I will let you know. So go ahead and subscribe if you can. And thank you so much for the over 2,100 subscribers. I really appreciate every single one of you. You give me hope, and you give me courage, and you give me strength to keep this channel going. So thanks for that. And now let's get back to the tour. All right, so let's go downstairs. All right, there's the little buddy. All right, so here is a door, and it leads down a set of stairs. Let me turn the light on here. There we go. All right, so here's the set of doors. We go down the stairs. And the stairs are really nice. Wood, dark. We see little nice sconces on the wall. A little ventilation. This will be good in the fall too, because you can just open the windows and it's all pretty fairly new. Here we have the first bedroom. So the first bedroom, perfect. You can probably fit a full-size bed here. It would probably get to about here, and you'd still have most of the room available. You've got ample room on here. He's obviously a surfer, good for him. And you've got this like faux brick wall. Looks like plastic, but it does look cool. And again, the textured wallpaper. Recessed lighting in the ceilings. And you have a pretty nice view out this window as well. And you can see over Ona. Okay. And here we have a closet. It's a pretty big closet actually. And let me show you why. Now I'm not sure if that stays. I'm going to assume it does. It's a built-in. I'm assuming that stays. And then we have storage right there on top, but there's also this really cool little thing, and it's actually more storage, and it does pass through to the closet, as you can see, and you can put much more things, taller things and boxier things in there as well. All right, so let's continue the tour, and here we have the master bedroom. Let me just flip the lights. Bing. So the master bedroom's a pretty good size. He's got a sectional here. I guess you can pull that out to sleep as well. Very minimal. And there's your AC unit up there with your remote. And again, a really nice view. Okay, we've got faux wall, faux brick. So you can see it's kind of spongy actually. See that? See my finger going in? All right. And we have a nice view out here. Just nature, nothing behind you. Just birds and stuff. All right, so let's continue on, and you can put a bed here. I'm not even sure, I don't think the bed stays, I think the bed goes. And it seems to have a lot of the same furniture here. So we've got a really deep closet here. As you can see, it goes from there all the way here. Again, ventilation, so that's always good because in Okinawa you get a lot of mold if the air is stagnant and humid, and in the fall and the winter it does get cool enough to open all the windows and get some air circulating. So we've got this. You can fit a lot of clothes there. And here we come to the master bath. So here we have the bathroom, shower there. All Okinawan homes, most Japanese homes have a drain in the floor, so you can shower here if you don't want to use the tub. The tub is there. And also it's got this really great privacy wall behind there, the concrete privacy wall, so that you can keep the window open and no one can see in. So that's always a good thing. And well, they do have drapes too, like these little clear drapes, which is kind of nice, but it's always nice to keep the window open to keep the air going. Here you have a nice sink, okay? Really deep, very nice sink. There's me, there's Makeman Monkey. Here is the toilet, Japanese toilet. Really good size just for the toilet here, and it's separated by this frosty glass. You can see that. So it gives you some privacy, but yet makes it feel a lot more open than it is, and it's a good thing. Okay, there's the drain there. I guess, I don't know, is there a shower in here? I guess you can have a shower because there is a hookup next to the toilet, so if you had more people, you could shower here as well. There's all the buttons for the toilet. Oh, look, it went up! Oh my gosh, it went up! I did not expect that. Some toilets in Japan do that, and it freaks me out. But all right, so anyway, I wonder if I leave if it goes down and flushes. I'm not gonna wait for that. All right, whatever. All right, so here we go. Really nice. You got the brick throughout the whole place, the like faux brick, and not bad. And we can talk about this. Can we talk about this? Can we talk about this? Let's talk about this. This is a casualty of my video. I didn't hit it. The owner of the house, his son, I think, backed in. He was parked over here, and he just went boom. So yeah, we'll get that fixed. It's not a big deal, and it's just one of the things that sometimes happen. It was just a total accident. That's what it's called, an accident. So. Old number 5, car number 5, car number 5 took a beating. You want to explain what happened?
So my coworker's son backed into the car with his boat.
While we were talking, we heard a crunch and we turned around.
It went in slow motion.
Yeah, it was very slow motion. All right, well, what are doors? Like 20, 30 bucks?
No idea.
Yeah, they're probably more than that.
Always
That's okay.
have insurance.
Yeah. Okay. So. Maybe Joy Housing will offer driving courses later on, aside from their real estate services. Maybe. All right. So let me take this opportunity to thank you all for watching. Thank you for subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. This is a short video because it is only a 2-bedroom house, more of a modern flair than you'll see in most Okinawan houses. And you can rent something like this if you get housing off base, or if you're a contractor coming to Okinawa off base. This house is currently, I believe, rented, but I will put the information for it in the video description. Again, if you want to contact YUMI, go ahead and do so. I'll put that in the video description as well. If you are coming to Okinawa with military or contracting or a GS job or whatever, or even looking for an Airbnb, give her a buzz. Maybe she can help you out. And thank you for watching. Again, if you know anybody military, active duty, or spouse, give them the old elbow thing or a thumbs up, because you can't give them a hug or a handshake because of COVID. And I will see you next video.